Hello everyone. A problem of the day is insertion sort for singly linked list. In a given problem, given a singly linked list, and we need to sort the list using insertion sort algorithm. Okay. Now first we understand how is it work. Okay. Here we taken up an array and its index start from 0 to 4, means size of array is 5, and here I want to apply insertion sort. Okay. In insertion sort, uh, our current element will be and current index will be, here we taken current index. Okay, current index will be 1 and our current element start from 11. Okay, from index 1, first we need to compare with the uh, current element with previous element till index 0. Okay, then in that case our previous element is a index 0, means it directly compare with current. Okay, and here we need to check that our previous element is greater than or less than. Okay, if previous element is greater than, in that case we need to swap that element. Okay, with current element. Okay, means here it will be swapped, means our updated array will be 12, 11, 13, then 5, after that 6. Okay, in that after that our current index will be updated, means it will be 2. Okay, and our current element will be 13. Okay, in that case we need to compare with previous element. Okay, our previous element is a 11, and then okay, our first of all we need to update that array is a 11, then 12, after then 13. Okay, in that case first we need to compare with 12 and 13, means our previous element is less than current element, means we need to uh, here do not we need to swap. Okay, then in that case our pointer will be decreased from index 1 to index 0. In that case we need to compare with 11 and 13. Okay, then here is also previous is less than current. Okay, then in that case also we do not need to swap. Okay, and then in that case our updated array will be 11, 12, 13, 5 and 6. Okay, and after the second iteration, uh, our current index is 3 and current element will be 5. Okay, then in that case we need to compare with previous element with current element. Then our previous element is 13 and current is 5. Okay, means 13 is greater than, then we need to swap that. Okay, we need to swap, then in that case our updated array will be 11, 12, 5, 13 and 6. Okay, then our in that case our current index is 3. Okay, and our current element is also 5. Okay, and and after that we need to compare with the previous element. In that case our previous element is 12 and current element is 5. Okay, then it is also less than, then in that case we need to swap. Okay, then we need to swap with 5, then in that case our array will be 11, then 5, 12, 13, then 6. Okay, after that uh, our previous pointer is currently 1, then in that case we need to decrease from 1, then in that case it will be current index is same and current element is also same, and our previous pointer will be at index 0. Okay, at index 0 element is 11. In that case we need to compare with 5. Okay, then 5 is also less than, then in that case we need to swap. Okay, then our updated array will be 5, 11, 12, 13 and 6. Okay, and after reaching at the index 0 we need to increment the current index. Okay, then in that case our current index will be 4 and current element will be 6. Okay, then uh, we need to apply same approach for this. Okay, then in that case our updated array will be 5, 6, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, is the approach of insertion sort. Same approach we can apply on the linked list. Okay, for the linked list I want first of all how to apply this means, for apply insertion sort we need to use first while loop. Okay, uh, it will be a start from, yeah, or we need to use for loop, it will be a start from 1, 1, 2 till n. Okay, and here we take uh, here we take one another integer is a temp. Okay, or current, that will store the our current element of the array. Okay, and after that we can take one another while loop that will start from I minus 1. Okay, and it will be till 0. Okay, and in that while loop we need to check also our current is greater than or less than. Okay, of, if our current is greater than, in that case we do not need to swap. Okay, then here we need to check is a less than. Okay, less than in the with array of j. Okay, in that case we need to apply swap here. Okay, this is the approach of this problem. Now we first move on the coding part. Now we can try to implement this problem with the help of array list here. Okay, here first we take a list is type integer, is a array list. Okay, and here we take a while loop and need to traverse a start from till end. Then first we rename this is a simple head. Okay, till end means head dot is empty. Okay, and inside the while loop we need to add each element of the linked list in list by using head dot data. Okay, and here we need to update the head pointer, head to next head. Okay, after this we need to apply the insertion sort on array list. Okay, then here we can use a for loop. I start from 1 to till in means a list of size. Okay, list of size I plus plus. Okay, in this for loop we need to take one variable is current that will store the our current element of current index. Okay, after that here we need to take a one variable j, it will store I minus 1, and after that we can use while loop or for loop as you want. Okay, here I want to use while loop is always greater than or equal to 0, and here we need to check also our current is less than list of get j. Okay, in that case we need to swap. Then for the array list we can set for the specific index. Okay, in that case our index is j plus 1. At the index j plus 1 we need to update the element with at the index of j. Okay, after that here we need to decrement the j. Okay, and outside the inner loop we need to set the list with j plus 1 to current. Okay, after this after the insertion sort here is a return type is a node. Okay, then here also we need to create one node is a name as result. Okay, is a result is a new node, and initially it contain -1. Okay, and after that we need to traverse the list. List is an integer type, then we can directly traverse with this. Okay, is a list. Okay, here we need to update the list. Okay, linked list. Then here is result dot next, initially is -1, then next node will be new node that will be a store it. Okay, and okay, there is one issue. Okay, we can update with this, like we need to create one another reference. It is like a temp. Okay, and it will be result, and result will be store the temp, and here we need to update the temp, and here temp will be temp.next. Okay, it is like I'm creating a node temp that is initially initialized with -1, and it helps to initialize all the data in result. Okay, and it will be updated in for loop, and after this we need to return the result dot next, because of next will be as it is a start from -1. That's why I am here using result dot next. Okay, now compile and run the code. There is the problem. Okay, it is not empty. It will be head not equal to null. Okay, now compile and run the code. Yeah, it's working fine. Now submit the code. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe.